Big story coming in from Prayagraj, where a popular Hindu seer, Narendra Giri, has been found dead under mysterious circumstances. Narendra Giri was the head of the Akhada Parishad. The Mahant's body was found hanging at the mutt. Police in Prayagraj say they have registered a case. Initial investigations seem to indicate this was death by suicide, but investigations are currently underway. No suicide note has been recovered so far. He was the president of the Bharatiya Akhada Parishad. Mahant Narendra Giri was found hanging at the mutt in a room. According to initial reports, it does not appear to be a case of involvement of outsiders, but police say a team of forensics have been called in. The senior police officials of Prayagraj police have all rushed to the mutt for investigations. Initially, it was said that there was some issue related to a disciple, but details would only be known once investigations are carried out. The police, after initial investigations, say they will take statements of all those who were present at the mutt. Mahant Narendra Giri was found dead just a short while ago in a case of suspected death by suicide. His body has now been sent for post-mortem. I quickly want to cut across to India Today Television's news director Rahul Kanwal, who joins us for more on this story. Rahul, you had travelled to Prayagraj over the weekend and interviewed the Mahant.
So, Gaurav, as you can see from those images, we were with the Mahant just yesterday at the Hanuman temple close to the VIP Ghat in Prayagraj, which is where we were traveling with Keshav Prasad Maurya, the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. We just done a Sangam Snan. All of this will play out over the weekend on India Today TV, and then we drop by, as is often the custom when you're there. You drop into this big Hanuman Mandir, and the Mahant came with us for puja. So he helped us through the rituals. We went into the temple. This temple is very famous because this is where Hanumanji's mandir is prostrate. वो लेटी हुई अवस्था में वहाँ पे हनुमान जी की मूर्ति है. It's and Lord Hanuman is the Kuldevta of Prayagraj, and therefore has special significance for everyone in Prayagraj. And this is about 9:30, 10 in the morning yesterday when we were with the Mahant. We had a long conversation about politics, about the Uttar Pradesh elections, about the fact that he thought that Yogi Adityanath and the BJP were doing really well. And I even asked him, for someone who's a man of scriptures and religion, why are you taking sides so politically and so openly? To which he said that, whichever party helps push their religious agenda is the party that he would like should come back to power, and he gave his best wishes. You're seeing some of those images on your screen right now to Keshav Prasad Maurya, and I said that I hope your party rules for the next 40 years. The reason I'm giving this context is that he seemed totally okay, completely normal, in good spirits in fact. One of the things that local police were suspecting was that maybe this was a case of suicide, death by hanging. You see in those pictures just from a few hours ago, and even in our conversation with him, he seemed really charged up. He seemed totally normal, very charged up. We don't want to speculate in the least about what may have happened since, and that really is a matter of a police investigation. But these are pictures just from yesterday, where the Akhada Parishad head, and a man very revered in that area. He runs the Akhada, All India Akhada Parishad.
In fact, Rahul, if I may, like you pointed out, he was extremely vocal. For example, recently, when Yogi Adityanath government took the decision to ban liquor and meat in religious institutions, he came out in a very big way in support and spoke of taking religion forward. So in any of your conversations, did it appear that he was perturbed or unhappy about anything, Rahul?
No, not at all. In fact, he insisted that we have poha with him. we were going to Nekram for kachori and jalebi, and that was the plan. And he instead said that no, I've already made poha, and you can't say no to the Mahant in Prayagraj. So we stayed back, spoke to him. He gave us shawls. Some of those pictures, in fact, are on your screen. Viewers can see it as well. And he seemed totally charged up. There was no. It's impossible to predict somebody's state of mind or comment authoritatively on it. But the fact is, he seemed totally normal, as normal can be. We went and did a very special puja. He supervised, and you know this well, Gaurav, he supervised the puja himself, blessed us as part of this interview that we were doing for Jab We Met, which comes out later in the weekend. I'm very spooked, in fact, by the fact that somebody we were with yesterday who seemed so normal and so loving, and he's giving, as an older person, he's giving you his best wishes, wanting to know more about you. You're sitting there talking to him, and the next day, it turns out that he's no longer around, and that's really, really strange. And the police is now investigating the circumstances under which this death happened, Gaurav.
Rahul, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. And I quickly want to cut across to the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Dinesh Sharma, who's joining us on the broadcast. Dinesh Sharma ji, आप हम लोग को क्या बता सकते हैं इस केस के बारे में फिलहाल?
नहीं, बस अभी मैं प्रवास से लौटा था तो ये खबर मुझे जब सुनी है, वैसे ही आपका संदर्भ यहाँ पर आया है। मैं संपर्क कर रहा हूँ अपने अधिकारियों को। इतना कह सकता हूँ कि अभी जांच चल रही है, कारण क्या थे, लेकिन ये दुखद जो समाचार है ये असहनीय है। हम लोगों को व्यक्तिगत क्षति के तौर पर इसको हम देखते हैं। महाराज जी का आशीर्वाद सतत मुझे प्राप्त होता रहता था और माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के प्रति भी उनका अगाध स्नेह और प्यार था। आज वो हमारे बीच में नहीं है, ये खबर विश्वास करने योग्य नहीं लगती है। और लगता है कि महाराज जी अभी कुछ समय पहले ही हम लोग को, कुछ दिनों पहले ही फोन करके कह रहे थे कि आप इतने दिन से प्रयाग नहीं आए हो, आपको तत्काल आना है। जैसे लग रहा था कि एक गुरु अपने शिष्य को कह रहा हो, एक पिता अपने पुत्र को कह रहा हो। इस अधिकार भाव से वो बोलते थे, वो लगता है कि अपनत्व का भाव अब शायद सुनने को नहीं मिलेगा। वो ऐसे एक साधु थे जो पूज्य रामचंद्र परमहंस जी के स्वभाव वाले साधु माने जाते थे। सबको साथ में लेकर चलते थे, सब पे उनका स्नेह भाव होता था। और खासतौर से माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी से जब मिलते थे तो लगता था सखा स्वभाव का कोई दो संत आपस में विस्तृत अध्यात्म की चर्चा कर रहे हैं। पूज्य महेंद्र गिरी जी सर्व लोकप्रिय थे और हिंदू समाज में उनका एक विशेष स्थान था। आज वो नहीं होंगे, वो पूरा स्थान एक सूना सूनापन का एहसास कराएगा, ऐसा हम सब लोग महसूस कर रहे हैं।
क्या किसी भी तरह का कोई आभास था, क्या किसी भी तरह का कोई खतरा था या ये डर था कि जिस अवस्था में उनका मृत शरीर पाया गया, क्या किसी को कुछ अंदेशा भी था कि कुछ तनाव में थे या किसी परिस्थिति का कोई आकलन? दिनेश शर्मा जी,
देखिए महाराज जी अपनी बातें सबसे उल्लेख नहीं किया करते थे। जैसा कि मैं आपको बता रहा था कि अभी कुछ दिन पहले उनसे मेरी फोन पे बात हुई थी। उन्होंने मेरे स्वास्थ्य का हालचाल लेने के लिए मुझे फोन किया था और बड़े अंतरंग भाव से उन्होंने बात करी, लेकिन इस प्रकार का कोई चर्चा उन्होंने नहीं करी थी। मैं समझता हूं कि सारी चीजें जांच का विषय है, जो समय के रहते अधिकारीगण उसको पूरा करेंगे। ईश्वर से बस यही प्रार्थना है कि उनको श्री चरणों में स्थान दे।
आप किस तरह से उनको याद करते हैं? आपने कहा कि कुछ समय पहले ही आपकी उनसे बात हुई थी, लेकिन बात तो निरंतर होती रहती होगी, खासतौर पर अभी जब योगी आदित्यनाथ सरकार ने निर्णय लिया था कि धार्मिक स्थलों पर ना शराब बेची जाएगी, ना मीट बेचा जाएगा। इसका उन्होंने सबसे पहले आकर स्वागत किया था, तो उन पर यह भी आरोप लगते थे कि आपकी पार्टी के बहुत निकट है।
और उन्होंने आशीर्वाद देते हुए बोले कि हम भी महंत हैं, वो भी महंत हैं, और मैं उनको आशीर्वाद नहीं शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। दिनेश जी, आपको तो मैं आशीर्वाद दे सकता हूं। तो मैंने कहा कि महाराज जी आशीर्वाद आप मुख्यमंत्री जी को दो फोन करके तो ज्यादा अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि ये निर्णय उनके द्वारा सर्वप्रथम लिया गया है। और महाराज जी जिस दिन शिलान्यास हुआ था श्री राम जन्मभूमि मंदिर का जी, उस दिन मैं प्रत्यक्ष रूप में उनसे मिल नहीं पाया था। फोन पे जब मैंने कहा महाराज जी आप बड़ा खुश दिखाई पड़ रहे थे टेलीविजन पे जी, तो जैसे कोई नृत्य कर रहा, इस प्रकार से वो गागा के राम सिया राम जय जय राम बोल रहे थे, और बोल रहे थे बहुत दिन पहले की हमारी इच्छा पूरी भी है। और उन्होंने पूज्य रामचंद्र परमहंस जी का भी स्मरण किया कि उनकी आत्मा आज प्रफुल्लित हो रही होगी। मुझे अभी उन्होंने डांटते हुए कहा, भी 4-5 दिन पहले ही फोन किया था मुझे
जी,
और बोले प्रयागराज चले आओ, बजरंगबली का दर्शन करो आके, बहुत दिन हो गया, सब नेतागिरी चलती रहेगी, नेतागिरी बहुत हो गई, दर्शन करो आके
जी।
तो वो सबको अपना मान के बोलते थे और उनकी बात का कोई बुरा नहीं मानता था, वो सबको समाहित करते थे और महंत जी कोई सोच के नहीं बोलते थे
जी।
वो एकदम स्पष्टवादी विचारधारा से उनका बोलना होता था लोगों से, जिसमें अपनत्व का भाव दर्शता था।
अखाड़ा में कुछ विवाद की खबरें कुछ समय पहले आई थी, क्या उसकी कोई पृष्ठभूमि या उसकी कोई भूमिका यहाँ पर?
देखिए, अभी ये सब जांच के विषय हैं और पुलिस अपना काम करेगी, प्रशासन कोई कोताही ना बरते, इसके लिए उसको हम सब निर्देशित कर रहे हैं कि किसी प्रकार की महंत जी के बारे में कोई कोताही नहीं होनी चाहिए। लेकिन इतना मैं कह सकता हूँ, ऐसे सज्जन, ऐसे सर्वप्रिय, सर्व लोगों की चिंता करने वाला व्यक्ति का भी कोई दुश्मन हो सकता है, ये सोचना भी मेरे लिए बिल्कुल एक असंभव सा लग रहा है।
दिनेश शर्मा जी, उप मुख्यमंत्री उत्तर प्रदेश, आप हमारे साथ जुड़े, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। द डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश गिविंग डिटेल्स ऑफ हिज पर्सनल इंटरैक्शंस विद महंत Narendra Giri, whose body was found under rather mysterious circumstances at the Mutt at Prayagraj. A team of forensics is currently at the Mutt carrying out investigations. We will continue to get you more on this big story. Let me now shift focus to the other big story we're tracking here on India Today, and that is relief for businessman and actor Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra. A Mumbai court granted bail to Raj Kundra against a bond of 50,000 rupees in a porn scandal case. Kundra's assistant Ryan Thorpe, who is the IT head of his firm, has also now been granted bail. On the 15th of September, Mumbai Police Crime Branch had filed a supplementary charge sheet in the case naming Raj Kundra and others. The charge sheet runs into about 1,400 plus pages and has statements of 43 witnesses. Now, according to the charge sheet, Kundra made more than 1 crore through his porn app Hotshots between August and December 2020. Raj Kundra allegedly controlled operations of Hotshots and made approximately 100 porn films. Kundra had moved bail plea on Saturday, claiming he was being made a scapegoat in the case without any conclusive or corroborative evidence. Raj Kundra and Ryan were arrested by the Mumbai police in July.
Our submission was that the investigation is over, charge sheets have been filed, so no further custody is necessary so far as our clients are concerned. So that was our main submission. Our second leg of submission was that once arrest of the accused who are granted bail, that order remains intact and has not been challenged. That should be considered in our favor. That was our main submission.
And from Maharashtra, let me take you to Bengal. After jumping ship from the Bharatiya Janata Party to the Trinamool Congress on Saturday, Babul Supriyo met Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee today. The former BJP MP from Asansol and former Union Minister visited the State Secretariat to meet Mamata Banerjee and TMC's General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee. Babul Supriyo called the meeting with Didi fruitful and thanked her for giving him the opportunity to serve the people of Bengal. When asked about his switch from the BJP to the TMC and his role in the Trinamool Congress, Babul Supriyo said it was for Mamata Banerjee and the TMC to decide. This was Babul Supriyo's first meeting with Mamata Banerjee after he joined the Trinamool Congress. Babul Supriyo's fallout with the BJP wasn't sudden. He was dropped as a union minister. An emotional Babul Supriyo had signaled his exit from politics. He then said he was battling differences of opinion with some BJP leaders, which resulted in his ultimately quitting the BJP and joining the Trinamool Congress.
बाउल गाने के बारे में कुछ बात हुई, किस तरह का गाना गाएंगे या क्या?
गाना गाना होता है, जो दीदी बोलेंगे आई शुड बी ऑन अ सॉन्ग एंड वर्क फॉर बंगाल।
और राष्ट्रीय राजनीति के बारे में कोई बातचीत हुई, किस तरह से करेंगे क्या? या
अंदर क्या बातचीत हुई वो बाहर कहना क्या ठीक होगा?
रोल के बारे में बात हुई, बताइएगा मत, क्या रोल क्या होगा उसके बारे में बातचीत हो गई है क्या?
ये बताना दीदी का वो प्रेरोगेटिव है। उन्होंने मेरे छोटी बेटी, मेरे डैडी, मेरी बीवी, सबके बारे में उन्होंने जैसे उनका सब चीज़ के बारे में पूछा, और मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि नया तरीके से मैं मोटिवेटेड हूँ। बहुत अच्छा लगा ये मीटिंग। थैंक यू।
And after the Income Tax Department raided actor Sonu Sood's office, property and residence, and alleged that the actor and his associates had evaded tax to a tune of 20 crore rupees, taking to social media, the actor issued a statement. He said he does not need to tell his side of the story. Time will tell his story. In a statement, Sonu Sood said he pledged that he would serve the people of India with all his strength and heart. In a statement, he also mentioned that every rupee of his foundation goes to the needy or to save lives. He then went on to say, and I quote, "In addition, on many occasions, I've encouraged brands to donate my endorsement fee for humanitarian cause, which keeps us going," unquote. On 7 at 7, let me now bring you to our fact check of the day. A claim was made on social media that former Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh met the Union Home Minister after resigning as Punjab Chief Minister. That was the claim online. What's the fact? Well, the Anti-Fake News War Room of India today did a fact check, and this viral image, incidentally, is from 2019 and not from September 2021. So basically, this was fake news online. A quick break. News and updates continue on India Today. Stay with us.